Hello everyone, Janice here. Hope you're all having a wonderful, blessed day today. And this is just a really short little video. I really just wanted to show you these two Christmas molds. They are available on both of the big international sites, and I think I also saw them on Amazon. They are really, really nice molds. They're nice and sturdy. I've used them a lot. I've made quite a few of these just to give for, family and friends and whatever. I've just used some shiny glitter in them, but the molds are still perfect. I can still make loads more if I wanted to. So I used 190 grams. That's what I mixed, 190 grams of my 1-to-1 resin. I did the two angels, and then I managed to do one star, and then I later did another two, so I had to mix more resin. So if you're wanting to do all three of the stars at the same time, I thought I had mixed enough, but I hadn't. So I would recommend putting about 220 grams of resin in, and that should be enough for both of the angels and then all three of these snowflake star things. So just enjoy the video. It's really just to show you what I did. I just mixed some glitter in, but I'm very chuffed with the molds. They're well worth their price, and they were not expensive, and I'm still going to get loads more out of them. So just sit back and enjoy, and I'll see you on the next one.